Unlocking affection in English. The phrase, much love, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a heartwarming topic that pops up in casual conversations, heartfelt letters, and even in the digital world of texts and emails. We'll be exploring the phrase, much love, what it means, and how you can use it to spread warmth and affection. So, let's get started and add a touch of kindness to your English vocabulary. The phrase, much love, is an informal expression used to convey affection and deep caring to someone. It's like sending a warm, emotional hug through words. But it's more than just a goodbye or a sign-off. It reflects a genuine feeling of wishing well for the other person. Much love can be used in various contexts. As a goodbye, when parting ways with a friend or ending a conversation, it's a way to say farewell with warmth. In writing, at the end of an email or letter to someone you have a close relationship with. During emotional support, if someone is going through a tough time, saying, much love, can be a way to show support and compassion. On special occasions, such as birthdays or holidays, to show appreciation and affection to others. It's important to understand the cultural nuances. While much love is endearing, it's typically reserved for people you have a personal connection with. It might be too intimate for professional or formal relationships. Expressions similar to much love include lots of love, often used in the same way as much love. With love, a slightly less intense version, common in greetings cards and messages. Sending love. This implies an action, as if love is being sent across the distance. While we're focusing on English, it's fascinating to note that many languages have their equivalent of much love. For example, in Spanish, mucho amor carries a similar sentiment. It's a universal message understood across cultures. And there you have it. The phrase, much love, is a simple yet powerful way to show affection and caring. Whether you're saying goodbye to a friend, signing off a heartfelt letter, or offering support, it's a phrase that warms the heart. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel comfortable using much love in your conversations. Much love to all of you for joining us today.